I just created a full-blown data lake for a proof of concept that I'm involved in during the coming weeks. It contains Databricks, Data Factory, Azure SQL Database, and Synapse Serverless. It's all tied together with managed identities where possible, and it has a storage account, log analytics, and a Keyvault to make it a complete solution. The cool thing is that I just did that with just one line of Powershell. This concept is not new. Back in the day when I was still tinkering with on-prem virtualization, there were PowerShell libraries that would allow you to create simple recipes. So if you wanted to roll out, let's say, a domain controller, 2 SQL servers and a workstation with Management Studio installed, it would just be one line of PowerShell after you created that recipe. Today in Azure, this is a lot easier to achieve, but there are still quite a few moving parts. My name is Kamman, and I'll be at SQLBits 2023 in Wales to teach you how to automate the rollout of a complete Azure-based data warehouse solution in just one day. The main ingredients will be Bicep, GitHub Actions, and a bit of PowerShell, but we'll also discuss the differences between Bicep and Terraform and GitHub versus Azure DevOps. We'll talk about security, auditing, logging. We're going to have so much fun. At the end of the day, you can not only grab my code and repeat the process, you will know how it works and why. So you can adapt it for your own situation, regardless of whether you want to create an environment to learn, teach, do a proof of concept, or roll out a full-blown production environment for your employer or customer. You are going to add solid platform engineering skills to your data engineering resume. And this is just day one. SQLBits is 5 days of learning, meeting old and making new friends, just having a great time at the coolest data conference in Europe. And there will be dragons. These training days have limited seating, and a bunch of them usually sell out fast. Sign up today. I look forward to see you in Newport in March.